Hello, folks, and welcome back to the channel where our goal is to increase the net worth of teachers. If you're not a follower of the channel or a subscriber, you may want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are constantly researching and trying to put out the most up-to-date information to help you increase your net worth by teaching remotely, teaching abroad, identifying passive income opportunities, investing, and more. Stay tuned for today's video. In today's video, we are closely looking at a virtual teaching opportunity. Yes, we are looking for high school math, high school science, and high school social studies tutors. The company who is offering this opportunity is known as Tutors. They're offering it at $45 an hour for full-time, part-time, or contract work. Let's take a closer look. So in terms of qualifications, you'll need to have a bachelor's degree, at least 3 years of teaching experience. You need to have a work authorization in the United States. Tutors offers one-to-one and small group virtual programs to students across the country. Using our dynamic and learner-friendly platform, tutors provide engaging and supportive learning opportunities to students. So, as a tutor, you will work closely with students during the school day, after school, or on the weekends in school districts across the country. Now, again, currently this position is advertising for high school science, math, and social studies. However, this doesn't mean that they may not be entertaining other subject matters at the moment or in the future. Let's peruse through some of the responsibilities. This list, of course, is not meant to be exhaustive. So one of the things I definitely want to highlight is that you will have to prep for your tutoring sessions and ensure that materials are appropriate for your lessons. And some of that includes creating lesson plans that are aligned to students' needs. Now, in some instances, you may come across tutoring companies that will provide resources for tutors, but it looks like in this particular case with Tutors, you actually have to create your lesson plans. All right. Next up, we have, learning and mastering all of Tutor's specific tools and technology. So it does sound like there are some specific resources that they're going to want you to use and definitely master. Of course, you have to attend any trainings or orientation that the company has, notify tutor coordinators of student celebrations, concerns, or just questions you may have. Let's peruse through. Okay, if you're going to be absent, yes, you need to ensure that you have coverage and prep for the tutoring sessions as well. Capture student participation and attendance. They want to collect that data. Conduct student and family outreach to confirm tutoring sessions. And this is definitely something that you want to know and follow. You have to commit to work with students in groups that you accept for the entire duration of the academic school year. So this is not a short-term semester job, folks. You got to stay for that whole school year. And of course, last but not least, one of our favorite bullet points, other duties as assigned. All right, let's look at some additional qualifications. We already know that they're looking for at least a bachelor's degree, but if you have a master's, PhD, or EDD, highly preferred. 3 or more years of teaching experience, but get this, tutoring experience is also something that is required. They would like you to have experience facilitating learning through the virtual setting. Highly preferred. Experience with virtual learning technology and internet-based solutions. Okay, makes sense. And then, yes, they want you to be adaptable, fast, energetic, and engaging while teaching, but they also may want you to have some pretty decent grades. So you're going to have to submit your undergraduate and or graduate transcripts. All right, let's look at this last category of requirements. So the typical school day looks like 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. This is Eastern Standard, Central Standard, or Pacific Standard. These seem to be the highly preferred time zones, but you're also, available or if you're available to work after school or on the evenings, they may have opportunities during that time as well. Weekends, of course, they would like you to have a touch screen or writing tablet, a computer with a webcam, strong internet connection. You have to reside in the U.S. for the entire duration of your contract with the company, and you must have a U.S. based phone number. And guess what? Google and WhatsApp, etc., not supported. Sorry, guys. And you definitely are going to need a fingerprint clearance, but not to worry if you have to pay for this, it will be reimbursable. Okay, so compensation, as we mentioned before, currently is at a rate of 45 per hour. Please, please, please. No phone calls to the company. Why? Because due to the influx of applications, we will not be able to respond to every submission. Only qualified applicants will be contacted. All right. Now let's take a quick peek at the website. I am on the application page, and it looks as though you just have to, enter some basic information, your name, email, phone number. Go ahead and upload that phenomenal resume of yours. Mention the number of years of experience you have, and basically tell them a bit about you and why you wish to work with the company. And I will be sure to leave a link in the description below for you to be able to follow and apply if interested. As I said, I will be definitely researching and posting more opportunities on remote positions, so you'll want to stay tuned. Be sure to give a thumbs up to this video if you like it. Comment, subscribe. Are there any other specific opportunities that you're looking for virtually? All classroom based? Maybe some other industry you'd be interested in? Definitely let me know. But in the meantime, in between time, enjoy your day, stay safe, and see you soon.